here's our experiment setup. We have 3 bottles that are the same size, and they're all filled with the equal amounts of soil. This one right here doesn't have anything on top of it, it's just bare soil. This one is covered in wood chips, and this one over here has plants and grasses and stuff like that kind of stuffed inside of it. It's supposed to replicate plants that are growing in the soil. I didn't have time to grow plants in the bottles, but hopefully it works and we get a similar result. I'm going to pour water over all of these, straining it through this colander. That way we can kind of simulate rain. Make a prediction right now of what bottle you think is going to have the most sediment runoff. When we take a closer look at the containers, we can see that the one with the plants doesn't have as much sediment when we compare it to the one with the mulch versus the one that was all by itself. I'll hold it up to the light so we can get a better look. So this is the one that was only soil. It didn't have any wood chips on top. It didn't have any plants. Here's the one that had the bottle that had the wood chips on top of it. We can see it's still kind of dirty, but not nearly as dirty as the other one. And lastly, we have this last container. It barely has any water in it. There's a little bit of dirt, a little bit of runoff, but it's not nearly as murky as the other one. So this shows us just how important plants are in helping us to prevent runoff in our local ecosystems.